No cap, I'm about to put y'all on. This some beauty supply store here. I paid $30. You want a bang for your buck? Go ahead and watch my video. Alright, this is some pack hair from our local beauty supply. It's called the Janet collection. It comes with 3 bundles and a closure. I got a bundle of 14, 12, and 10. And to be honest, I don't know how long the closure was, but it doesn't really matter because I turned it into a bang. So yeah, I'm gonna take my dome cap and I'm gonna slap it on my wig head, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pin my closure down. I originally planned on making a sewing machine wig. However, my sewing machine, I broke 2 needles trying to do it, so I just said bump it or whatever, and I ended up doing a glue method. But I outlined the thing with this little chalk pencil that I got from the Dollar Tree. I know some people use Sharpie or whatever, but it doesn't really matter as long as your little guidelines on there. And here's me drawing out my guidelines. Guidelines, you don't have to necessarily go by them 100%, but they do help when it comes to spreading out your wefts and just giving you an eye of where you should be, what direction you should be heading. So yeah, there go my guidelines. I'll take a needle and some thread, and I am going to sew down this closure by hand. My bad, you guys, for the sniffling and stuff. I'm starting to get sick. Hi, Maya. Say hi. Say hi. Look at the camera. There you go. Say hi. Say hi. Say what's up. Oh, yeah, sleepy. Goodbye. Bye. Alright, so to protect my canvas head from the glue, I went ahead and threw a trash bag on there. Initially it's the super hair bonding glue. Initially I started off by cutting the hair, putting the glue on, blow drying it, then placing it on there. But I got tired of that real quick, and then I ended up just putting the glue on the actual dome cap and then putting the hair and then cutting it as I went. That way was just easier and quicker for me. But yeah, I think this is only the 3rd time that I've used bonding glue before, so I made a few mistakes. It got a little messy, to be honest. I accidentally blow dried the hair up into the glue. I was so mad, but it all ended up working out. For those of you who are interested in following me on my social medias, my Instagram is kk.forever_. And then my Snapchat is always kkx. I'm not that active on Instagram as of now, but on Snapchat I'm on there every day. So go follow me. Alright, y'all, so we've made it to the last track. Once I take the wig off of the mannequin head, I blow dried the inside as well because the glue was still a little wet or whatever. But yeah, I go ahead and I put on my stocking cap. You know, I got the braids underneath. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I had going on. I'm weird. But I went ahead and I cut off the lace. I didn't cut it perfect because it don't matter. Like I said, we doing a bang. Yeah, like everything is pretty self-explanatory. Like, I took these tiny scissors. I put that mean ass bump in the bang, and I probably shouldn't have, cause yeah, that threw the cutting off a little bit. But I twist it, and then like, what is it called? I cut up whatever that is, so it'll be like more like a fringe bang instead of a straight across. You feel me? But yeah, I probably could have cut it a little higher, but you know, I didn't want to like mess it up, because once you cut too much off, then it's just gone. So yeah, I kept inching my way up slowly but surely. I really wish I would have had clippers when it came to cutting the hair, like at the bottom, like the blunt bob part. Like, I kind of needed clippers, but I didn't have any, so I had to make do with what I had, which was some scissors and a comb. And I just tried my best to like make it as blunt or as even as it could be, but you know, that didn't come out perfect. But that's why I ended up bumping the ends like in, so you couldn't really tell too much if it was like uneven. It's not like mad uneven, it's just like probably a little off. Alright, so at this point, I'm just really trying to get this little bang right. I keep going through and cutting it some more. But the closure wouldn't go down, like it wasn't laying flat. So I used that foam, and then I put the scarf thing on it. This is me coming back the next morning. You see it's laying way more flat than it was. This time I'm going to take my actual time and go through each section and make sure that I curl it under, like at the ends, like bump it in. And we going to get this wig right, honey. Alright, so that's pretty much it. The wig is ready to go. I'm just gonna go do my makeup off camera, come back, pop her on, and just brush her through, and baby girl is done. Like, for $30, I really got this cute look. Like, it's mad cute and simple. Like, yeah, like it's a whole vibe. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your homegirls. Let them know where you getting the looks for the low. Girl, I did it.